everyone. Today I will be sharing some GK questions for NIFT 2023.
The hair care brand owned by Priyanka Chopra Jonas is Animalai Hair Care, who is Baiju's global ambassador. It's Leonie Messi. The skincare brand owned by actress Deepika Padukone is 82 Degree East. What is the name of the startup started for senior citizen by Ratan Tata? It's Goodfellows. Taco Bell, KFC, Pizza Hut are owned by Yum, who is the brand ambassador of Happilo health food brand. Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. Decathlon changed its name in which country to promote its campaign? Belgium. Who is the owner of the beauty brand K by Katrina? It's Katrina Kaif. Who is the brand ambassador of fashion brand Louis Vuitton? It's Deepika Padukone. Reliance ties up with which luxury brand to launch in India? It's Balenciaga. Which fashion brand launched bags same as food packets? It's also Balenciaga. Voltas, Titan, Tetley, Starbucks India, Tanishq, Taj Hotels, Vistara, Chroma, Jaguar and Land Rover are operated by Tata Company. Who is the brand ambassador of fashion house Gucci? Singer Henny. Van Heusen, Alan Sony, Peter England, Louis Philippe, Pantaloons are owned by Aditya Birla Group. Who is the brand ambassador of Skechers? It's Kriti Sanon. Who is the brand ambassador of Skybags? Kartik Aaryan. Who is the brand ambassador of Nykaa? Janhvi Kapoor. Who is the brand ambassador of men's jewelry brand Meeta Man? It's Sunil Sethi. Brand ambassador of apparel brand Force 9, Akshay Kumar. The fashion designer who has her own fashion label, beauty cosmetic brand, and she is the only one who modeled for an Indian fashion designer. Masaba Gupta. Who is the brand ambassador of Bandhan Bank? Saurav Ganguly. Brand ambassador of men's grooming brand Beardo's perfume line. Vicky Kaushal. Who is the brand ambassador of Bank of Baroda? Shefali Verma. Who designed national flag? It's Pingali Venkaya. The design of national flag of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India in 22nd July 1947, which is world's largest desert, the Sahara Desert. Where is the headquarters of jewelry brand Tanishq? It's in Bangalore or Bangalore. Latest launched sub-brand of Tanishq, Mia. What is the tagline of beauty cosmetic brand Nykaa? Your beauty, our passion. Who is the owner of Sugar Cosmetics? It's Vinita Singh. Quit India movement was launched by Gandhiji in 1942. First Mughal emperor who allowed Britishers to establish trade link with India, Jahangir. Lakme Fashion Week is organized in Mumbai. What is the full form of FDCI? Fashion Design Council of India. Ethnic brand House of Pataudi is owned by actor Saif Ali Khan. National anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. National song was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. National Handloom Day, August 7. Largest unit of data measurement. It's YB or yottabyte.